ปีแหลกกุมภาวาปี District อุดรธานี about 9 kilometer from กุมภาวาปี train station Lotric 1 hour drive from อุดรธานี city Imagine rowing your boat through a sea of floating lotus flower dash egg paste as fast as the eye can see dreamy, yet but also completely possible if you visit one of the world's station lake, according to seen in eastern Thailand, along with the region that is thrown in parallel in Phra Daeng Nang Ai and the Nakha on this Konakorn site.
Activity. The first, take a boat to see the last pink lotus lake. The second, photography at mid-island pink blooms. There will be a restaurant next to cafe.
A few moments later.
When we get the boat ticket, we can go and submit this. This is a chartered boat. A small boat can seat 2 people, while a large boat can seat no more than 6 people. Before we go on the boat, let's give the atmosphere a little breeze. Let's go.See the lotus as let's go. Don't do it to see Alexa pink water lily this day. What is true and very? After this, has this just a decrease? If anyone come during this period, the time of lotus hour is 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock in the morning. If this is past 8 o'clock in the morning, in the lotus will stop blooming. Since we have been here already, we want to know if the lotus will bloom or not. But be patient. To be late, but I greatly regret it. Please we were able to see the beauty of lotus.Even if the lotus does bloom, seriously, atmosphere is beautiful. Everyone, are you things? Okay, everyone. After we finish watching Alexa pink water lily, then we'll continue go to Wat Phra Don Keo. Seriously, everyone, today there is a legend that has been remodeled for a long time.And legend that we will talk about today is Phra Daeng Nang Ai and Phaya Nakha on this Konakorn site that has been linked to this temple and a lake of pink water lilies.
After we stop it by the temple, we welcome to Madebo restaurant. Madebo restaurant 3 about different parts of lotus to cook.This is stir-fried lotus roots with fish shrimp. Soup with lotus roots and fish shrimp, very tasty. Fried tilapia. This is a signature of restaurant. Tam lai bua lotus roots spicy salad. After we are full, we will continue to cafe zone.And this lotus loose cake very appetizing. You have to try. It's very delicious.
You always been my day one, day zero when I was no one. I'm nothing but myself, you and no one else. Thankful you're my day one.I got lucky finding you. I went big that day that I came across you. 'Cause when you're with me, I don't feel blue. Not a day goes by that I would not redo. Everybody wants to love. It's easy when you try hard.